Hi everyone, it's Coach Fred and I'm back here today to talk about the triangle angle bisector theorem. Oh my God, what a mouthful. All right, so the triangle angle bisector theorem. The triangle angle bisector theorem is another proportional relationship that happens in triangles, okay? If you're given the fact that segment AD, so this is segment AD, remember a segment right there, okay? Is an angle bisector in triangle ABC, and so it is an angle bisector here to angle BAC. Okay, so it's an angle bisector to this whole angle right here. All right. How do I know that? Well, these are marked congruent, so we can put the hash marks there to make it a little bit more clear for us. Okay, so if that happens, it divides the sides of the triangle proportionally. Okay, it divides the sides of the triangle proportionally. Okay, so that's actually kind of nice because now you know that x over z equals y over w. So this proportion is now true. You could also do, if you wanted to, you could do x over y equals z over w. That would be another proportion that would work for you, again, because proportions have so many different properties and ways you can write them. But you want to pick one and like stick to it. Do you go left one over the other, like the sides over each other and then the base over each other? Do you do this, one triangle to the other triangle? It's really up to you. So here's an example. We have a triangle. This line right here is an angle bisector, so it's going to divide the triangle proportionally. So I'm going to do 10 over x equals 15 over 12. And I'm going to simplify. So 3 goes into 15 5 times, into 12 4 times. 5 times 2 gives me 10, so 4 times 2 is going to give me 8. So x would be 8. All right, your turn. I want you to set up a proportion to solve for x for all three of these, and then come back and let's test it out. Okay, so you're back. Now, I actually look at these very carefully before I actually decide the proportion I'm going to use. Why? Well, because if I wrote this one, and you can get the same answer, so if you got 3.5, 8, and 20, you're good to go. But just watch a second. When I looked at this, I saw that 10 and 5 are actually factors of each other, right? They divide evenly. So instead of writing 10 over 7 equals 5 over x, I did 10 over 5 equals 7 over x. Why? Because it allowed me to simplify this ratio 2 to 1. But on this one, on this number 2, it didn't matter. There was no way for me to simplify, so I did 4 over 3 equals x over 6. I guess I could have done 4 over x equals 3 over 6 and gotten 1/2. Numbers were pretty easy, so I could have done that as well. But again, no matter how you write it, as long as you use the right properties, the next would be 8. This one, again, I saw 8 and 4 were divisible, so I did 8 over 4 equals x over 10, getting x to be 20. All right, that's it for today, guys. Hope you have a great day, and we're going to practice this tomorrow in class. See ya.